You guys, it's been a week and a half since I've been sourcing and thrifting, which is basically the longest dry spell I think ever. And so I decided to go to an estate sale marketplace today. It was a half off day and I got a great haul to show you. So I'm calling this my fall haul, not because I got that many fall pieces. I only got one thing that's truly fall, but everything on the counter when I was checking out had fall tones like golds and oranges and ruby reds, and it just gave me autumn vibes. So that's why I was like, I'll just call this my fall haul, even though it has one thing that is technically fall. So I put my pumpkin that I don't think I showed you guys that I thrifted recently. So here he is. I think I told you I bought him, but I didn't show you. So I'm like, okay, I'll just put him here to nod to fall as well. But I have some really great stuff to show you. So near my house is an estate sale marketplace. So if you're local, you should go to this sale. It's once a month. And on half off day, I always go and find great stuff. I usually don't go on the first day because it's really busy and the price points are not great for reselling for me, but half off day, they are totally great for resale. So this box absolutely caught my eye. It is carved wood. It has peacocks on the front, and then on the sides it has some like safari animals and birds. I mean, it's just stunning. Inside is like this velvet lining. It has a little bit of wear, like on the corners here, you can see it's come off a little bit. And then the one bottom foot needs to be hammered on a little bit. Yeah, it's a little like wiggly, so I just need to hammer it in place a little bit more. But yeah, it was 15 bucks half off. So obviously a really good deal. Boxes sell well for me. Even with this little bit of damage here, when you're displaying this on a shelf, no one is noticing that because it's so ornately carved. So excited to find this piece. There was a woman that was like opening it up and looking at it, and I was like in my mind looking at her thinking, don't buy it, don't buy it, don't buy it, don't buy it. Leave it, leave it, leave it, leave it. I don't know if anyone else does that. Like they try to Jedi mind trick a person who's looking at something you want to not pick it up. So she decided to set it back, and I was like, phew, and grabbed it. So I was very excited to find this piece, and this will be available on Etsy. So right next to the box was this adorable hand mirror. I thought it was so cute because I love the metal color and the wear and the pattern on it. Now it's definitely like the mirror itself, well, it's very dirty for one, but also has a little bit of a chip there, and it just has deteriorated. But that, you know, when you're buying something like this, usually you're not using it functionally. It's just a very cool decor piece. So that's why I was like, okay, this ended up being $6. I thought that was a great deal for something like this. I love the size of it. So often the mirrors are huge. So when you're decorating, if you don't want, you know, a huge mirror on whatever surface that you're doing, you could have a smaller one. So anyways, I just thought it was very cute, and this will be available on Etsy. So you guys have heard me say this a million times, cat stuff sells, and this cat paint by number that's framed, I just thought it was so cute. Even this was giving me kind of fallish vibes because of the red tone here, and it has this cute little soldier walking around. I just thought it was absolutely adorable. Like the paint by number, it definitely has a little bit of a rippling effect, but not, you can kind of see it when the shine of the sunlight catches it. I didn't think that was a big deal. I sold a paint by number recently to a person who was so thrilled with it. And so I was like, okay, I'll just pick this one up too because that one sold. Maybe this one will sell. So this was only $15 half off. So I was just like a framed cat paint by number, you know, for that price, for $7.50. I'm gonna get it. So anyways, I was really excited to find this. I'm sure people are like, oh wow, she really likes this cat paint by number, but you know, cat stuff sells, like I say. So another thing I always pick up when I see it are beautiful handmade hammered copper trays like this, or plates, especially when they have the hook on the back to hang on the wall. This one I thought was stunning because it's a flower. It has so much ornate detail on the ripple edge. I thought it was really, really beautiful. It was $15 with half off, which is a great deal because usually I will price these like $78 or more. And so that's why I was really excited to find this piece, because like pieces like this like will pay for the entire haul, which I always like. So I got several things actually that will pay for the entire haul several times over, which is what I always go for when I'm outsourcing. So yeah, this will be available on Etsy. Actually, I think most of this stuff will probably be put up on Etsy. But yeah, I thought this one was so pretty. Look at how it glimmers in the light. I don't shine up my copper, so I shine my brass, don't shine up my copper. So I just leave the sheen. People love shiny brass, but they don't like shiny copper. They like the age on copper, so that's why I leave it. But yeah, I thought this was really beautiful. If I collected copper, man, this would be one I would keep because I just think the flowers are so beautiful. So now I'm going to show you the actual autumn or fall piece that I picked up that kind of helped name the haul, not just the colors, but the actual piece. I thought this was beautiful. It's an original painting. It was $24 and half off. I thought the frame itself was awesome because it's not very common to come across like, you know, rectangular frame that has an oval center like this. And so that's what I was really excited about, just the frame itself. And then the painting inside of it I thought was really beautiful too. So I don't pick up a lot of actual fall themed items because I don't like fall themed decor. I know that's probably weird to say, but I'm colorful. So that's why I like Christmas decor, because it's bright and colorful, where fall is always like, you know, everything is, you know, the season's ending. I don't know. I guess that vibe just is not me. This does not match my personality, which is a little bit more sunny. But I thought this piece was really great for being a fall piece, and this will be available on Etsy. Okay, you guys, so the sunlight was hitting my chair too hard, and you guys were not gonna be able to see everything I was holding up because it was just literally like the sun was shining directly on that spot. So now we're in front of my dresser where I photograph in. It's just a bit of a hot mess in this part of my office. Well, the whole office, to be honest. But anyways, back to the haul. So here is another piece of art that I picked up. This was only $2.50. I got it mostly for the frame, even though it does look really cool, but this is a print. It's not actually painted. And so I'll probably take that out and then just use it for the frame, because the frame is wood, painted, old, really good. And I have a lot of unframed art that needs a frame. So that's why I picked it up. So yeah, I was very excited to find this for $2.50. So I got some great pottery pieces too today. So I got this beautiful handmade canister. I just love the way the detailing is at the bottom, and the handle up here kind of was giving me croissant vibes. So I don't know, I had to get it because of that. So it's only $6, which I thought was really great. This will be available on Etsy, but if it doesn't sell, I'll take it to my booth space at Tiny Brambles, which is a shop in downtown Portland. I sell a lot of pottery there. So I thought it was really, really cool. And for $6, I had to get it. And these next pieces actually look like cast iron, but they're not. They are ceramic. This is clay, like hand-built clay column candle holders. I just thought they were really neat. $12 for the pair, so they were $6. They're really, really heavy. They just have that like handmade brutalist vibe to me, which is why I got them. So yeah, these will be, I think, available on Etsy. A little hesitant to ship these just because sometimes handmade built pieces, you know, you just don't know how sturdy they are. But otherwise, I'll take them to my booth space, like I said before, with the canister. So anyways, we're very excited about these. So I also picked up some stone bookends. These I thought were really, really great. They have like the Aztec face on them, and I have sold mini versions of this before. This is my first set of giant ones, and I thought they were really great. So these, like, bookends in general are a great seller. Everyone has books and everyone needs something to stop their books from falling over. So bookends are something that are always in demand. They were $28 with half off, so $14 for the pair, which I thought was really, really great, and these will be available on Etsy. I also got a stunning wool tailored jacket for me. So this is vintage. It doesn't look like much like here. It looks pretty shapeless, but on me it's very tailored, and it has like a nice like curved in silhouette, and it has like the tortoise shell buttons and stuff. So I was really excited about this because this definitely gave me fall vibes. I am a sucker for a tailored jacket. Oh my God, a tailored blazer. This is my grandma coming out. She loved wool blazers, boiled wool blazers. I love a boiled wool blazer. Which is funny. You don't hear many people say they love a boiled wool blazer, but that's me. So I feel like that love affair with like wool jackets is like genetic, and I definitely inherit it because I love it too. So this will not be for sale, this will be for me. Okay, so that's everything from today's haul, but my mom did pick me up a few things recently when I was sick. She went out thrifting and she found this great piece of art for me, and I'm gonna keep it because it has, you know, my colors, the pinks and oranges and stuff that I have in my studio space. I love it. I love modern art, so I was very excited about this piece. And then I also had her grab these 2 boxes that I saw on camera when she was like panning around. She'll do that where she'll be like, she'll just scan around. She's like, see anything you like? And I'm like, I like these. So this box and this box. So I haven't decided if I'm gonna keep them or not because they're very, very cool, but boxes are one of my best sellers, especially painted ones like this. So I may put them up on Etsy. Haven't decided yet, but I was very excited that she picked these up for me. Okay, so my battery is about to die. So we are gonna close this out fast. So thank you so much for watching today. I hope you enjoyed seeing my fall-ish inspired haul. If you're looking for more thrifting and decorating content between my haul videos here on YouTube, make sure you check me out on Instagram and TikTok. Thanks so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Take care.